The Prime Minister and the BJP said that the Congress party has done nothing in 70 years. There is a list here of all the assets that the Congress party has helped build. These assets have been built using public money. Thousands and thousands of crores of rupees over the last 70 years. Now the Prime Minister is in the process of selling the crown jewels of this country. This entire privatization is designed to create monopolies. The whole idea behind this thing is to create monopolies for 3 or 4 people. And my young friends who are today searching for a job cannot find a job. You have to understand that the reason you cannot find a job is because the entire small and medium industries have been destroyed. And the reason they've been destroyed is because the Prime Minister insists on building 2 or 3 monopolies that own everything in this country. This thing is going to ensure that our young people do not get jobs. This is going to ensure that our entire industrial structure is controlled by 2 or 3 people. The central idea here is that what this country has built over the last 70 years is being given away. Mr. Modi believes that large monopolists can transform this country. He does not realize that when you create such large monopolies, you cannot give jobs to people. And when you cannot give jobs to people, it leads to social tension, social anger, and then social explosion. We have dealt earlier with a monopoly in India. It used to be called the East India Company. Right? It enslaved this country. So to me, this is a huge tragedy, and it is something that every patriotic person, every nationalistic person should oppose.